Welcome to A Canadian Exploring. On this video, we're going to take my very first drone flight, and yeah, let's try not to crash. We're going to do this first flight at King Edward Lake, as it's one of the few places I can actually fly the drone. Looking at this video, I need to adjust the camera settings on the drone, but you can see it's a little bit shaky in a few places, but I start to get the hang of it near the end. It is a pretty decent sized lake, and I did see a fish jump, but didn't manage to catch it with the drone. And the campsite is fairly small, as you can see. There's only enough room for one site right now with the water level pretty high. Let's try and land this thing without crashing. Thanks for watching my first drone flight, and hopefully you'll be able to use this drone on future videos.